In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get combos in Block Blast. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about what a combo is. In Block Blast, a combo happens when you clear multiple blocks in one go. This could be by clearing several rows or matching blocks that trigger chain reactions. The more you clear at once, the bigger the combo. To get combos, you need to plan your moves ahead of time. Look for patterns on the grid where you can clear several blocks at once. Think about how you can match blocks in rows, columns, or special patterns to trigger a combo effect. Focus on clearing multiple rows or columns at once. This is the easiest way to trigger a combo. For example, if you can line up several blocks across a row, clearing that row will activate the combo and help you score even more. Some blocks have special properties that can help you get combos. For example, blocks that explode or change nearby blocks when cleared can set off chain reactions, helping you achieve bigger combos. To set yourself up for a combo, it's important to keep the board clear of unnecessary blocks. If you're constantly filling the grid with random placements, it will be harder to trigger combos. Aim to keep spaces open for better opportunities to connect blocks. Combos often happen when you clear blocks in rapid succession. And that's how you get combos in Block Blast. By planning your moves, using power-ups and keeping an eye out for patterns, you'll be racking up those combos and boosting your score in no time.